Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Trust you're good. So today I'll be teaching you how to mend your oversized dress at the hip area. So as you can see, the dress is a little big on the hip side. So what I'll suggest you do is get yourself pin and then pin it on yourself exactly the way you want it. And this is the way I want mine to look like, and this is what I'm going to be working with. So take off the dress, but I actually wanted my dress to be a bit longer, so that is why I'm losing this lower part. It is actually optional. If you don't want to, you don't have to do it, but I would suggest you losing from the two sides, at least 2 inches from both sides, so that it will make it look neater. So remember, it was pinned outside, and we are going to be cutting and also doing the measuring from the outside. So this serves as my ruling area. So I got my ruler and I ruled a straight line. I don't want it to be a pencil or to be fitted. I still want it to be loose, but not loose per se, and not too, it doesn't have a shape, but I actually want it to look like a straight dress, a shift dress, but not with this funny shape on the side. So with that said and done, it is very important that the ruling on both sides are equal before you cut off the excess on both sides. And then I'm going to be sewing from one side to the other. And before I go on to do that, I reached out for the label that were inside and I placed it back with a pin. And then before I do the sewing, so we'll be holding this on both. The seam allowance will be half inch on both sides, and then you have to turn this inside. After you have turned this inside, I would advise you to pin both sides so that you won't have to lose the area. And then in case it is not equal or not well placed, this can be your guiding point of doing so. So once that is done, then I will sew that with half inch from that area there, because you need to go up a bit and then do that the other side. It has to be equal, and voila, this is what it looks like afterwards. And as you can see, it's like that, and the inside too is still looking very nice as well. So the next thing I'm going to do now is fold back the lower part and hem it. So that has been done here, and this is what it looks like. I use the straight stitch, and then so the next thing I'm doing now is to iron it, because it is very, very important that the seam area is pressed down so that it doesn't look tacky or unfinished or unprofessional or neat. So this is what I'm doing for the both sides and then the lower part, and this is what it looks like. As you can see, there's a huge difference between the way it was at the first area and the way it was now. So guys, it's still not fitted. I don't really like fitted dresses like that, but this is what I want, and I'm happy that I got the result I was looking for. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to check out our previous post, and please ignore my dance. I'm just trying to have fun. So don't forget to click on the subscribe button, and please go through our old videos, and see you guys next week. Bye.